Vivo launched its new mid-range phone under Y series in China called Vivo Y500 Pro. Now let's explore the specifications of this smartphone. The Vivo Y500 Pro features a tall 6.67-inch 1.5K resolution AMOLED display, with up to 120 Hz refresh rate and up to 1600 nits of peak brightness support, and it is protected by diamond shield glass on the top. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7400 chipset, paired with Mali G615 MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8 or 12 GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 128, 256, or 512 GB of UFS 2.2 storage. As per the optics, the Vivo Y500 Pro sports a 200-megapixel main camera with f1.88 aperture, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 32-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.45 aperture, and both the front and rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K video recording. The device comes backed by a massive 7000 mAh battery, with 90 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 16 out of the box, with Origin OS 6 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP69 certified for dust and water resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, NFC, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 160.23 by 75.51 by 7.81 millimeters, and it weighs around 198.6 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Vivo Y500 Pro has been priced in China as follows. The smartphone is now up for pre-orders in the country in titanium black, soft pink, light green, and cloudy gold color options, and it is said to go on sale starting from November 14. So, what do you guys think of this Vivo Y500 Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.
Oh,